In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn this photo into this. If you think this is something you're interested in, then subscribe, like and turn on the post notifications, and let's get started. To follow along with the same photo, the download link is in the description. If you are wondering how I zoomed in, you can do that by pressing the Ctrl plus the right bracket key. Create a transparent layer by clicking on that icon. As you can see, it has been created on top of the photo layer like so. Now select the brush tool. Navigate to the brush settings and ensure it's a soft brush and the hardness is set to 0%. Reduce the opacity and the flow. Right-click and reduce the size of the brush, and also check and make sure the hardness is set to 0%. Now we will sample the color from that area of the face. To do so, hold the Alt key and click to copy the color. You will see this sign on your screen indicating you have sampled the color. Moreover, the default foreground color will change into the recent one you sampled. You can confirm it like so. With the brush tool selected, start painting on that area to remove the makeup. You will realize it is not looking realistic. Go ahead and change the blend mode to color. Now you can see it has blended very well than how it was before. Continue painting to remove all. Don't paint all over with the same sampled color. Keep sampling a different one based on the shadows, midtones, and the highlights respectively. It's a gradual process, but I did fast forward the video to save time. I hope you have got the clue. Repeat the process to remove all the light effect from the skin. Turn the layer visibility on and off to see the preview of the before and after. To merge both layers together, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E. To export the final photo as a JPEG, go to File, Export As, and choose JPG format and then save it. Subscribe.